Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Drinks with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just the post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. My people, today matter not be small thing. You know, they say who no one whole fight, you go fair quarrel. They say make I dey speak Oyibo, okay, make I speak this Oyibo. And I say speak rabbit, rabbit. You cannot see rabbit in the afternoon or midday. Abi they speak the Oyibo. If you see rabbit in the afternoon time, you know that rabbit is pursuing something or something is pursuing the rabbit. Now be the matter of today. Today one pastor, wey in dey Nigeria. And before I talk this matter first, I just want to use this opportunity to tell you when they watch me now, because this person when me they talk in matter now, he know me well. He did this platform. I know say you dey watch this video, and your friend when still bring the matter come to, you go watch this video. So I want to tell you, say that rubbish make you not try am again. Because now your friend now bring this matter come say make I come talk am. He say he do like this, they look you. He say if you try it again, you go tell your husband. You understand me? Don't try it again. Because you say you are a woman of God. You don't need to try such thing. How you take the encourage other women for church? Mommy. Anyway, my people, make I tell you now wetin happen. This one na one woman, na pastor wife. Even this woman self, her papa na pastor too. He married pastor. They dey Nigeria. He get 4 children. Now his husband come tell am say okay, as he come be now, he say he wan study for Italy. Now his husband come work am make he come study for Italy, whether na university, I don't know how they call am, but the study na English language. They say they study the study, not be Italian language. So na there the man come say bring am come, and when the man bring am come, accommodation come be problem for this woman. So the man come beg one family like that for Italy, say make they help his wife for accommodation. So he come, then they can't really help am for accommodation, and he gets 4 children for this pastor. And these 4 children, now the last one, he did 2 years, a very small little baby. When we say the man no go fit take care of the 4 children and that little baby, because into it they work. Because now the school when the wife can't go for Italy, yeah, now money they spend, you understand? Even to buy tickets, save now money, not be free. So the man can say, because say now blood, now they use for a body. You understand now? May not be like say one thing come out for 2 things. It can't be say it can't they jump on top of us girl. It can't say no need that girl. Because say he wants a very good family. He want keep himself for his wife. He can't carry his mama come house. They take care, help her, they take care of the children. Why he say me wife come study for Italy? Now they hear me so. So now the woman come, he can't do the accommodation place. If school time still reach, you go school. If school still finish, or maybe weekend, you go still come back to that place of accommodation, the family when they accommodate town. You understand? This is the woman when be say if they pray every morning, go see me they can't do morning devotion. If this woman they pray today, hey, it go be like say everyone fall. Ira ba pro kill am die kill am fire. All this kind of women when they pray, when they say they go they speak calm, go fall for ground. Oh yes Lord. All those kind of women, one they fear them. Now that kind of person, now they be every time. If they cast a band, if they calabash, me I no go cut tongue. Now that kind of person, now this woman be. Now this friend come to say, come no say now that kind of person when be. Now he leave am. You know say this woman dey waka kporo kere waka. He say one day, he never tell for year, one faithful day, one evening. He say because she herself He say she dey drink, she sabi drink well. He say if he dey drink today sef, this woman come carry Bible meet her. Oh, why are you drinking now? You are a lady. Stop drinking. The Bible say, the Bible say, you go quote Bible. Repent. He go tell am say he not be sin now. He not dey do him own hide, he dey do him own come out. As he dey waka in life, he no dey hide it. He go dey preach for am. He go dey look am. He said that day he just ready. Now so she make up. Say she just make up. Then this our pastor wife come meet and say, this one wey you just dey make up like this, where you dey go? He come say, you wan just throw. Now summer we dey so everywhere. It's as dey hot. May you just go receive fresh air. May you just go through. He come say, now you just dey make up like this. He say yes. So he say he can't lie down for chair. He can't use cloth take cover himself like say he wan sleep. He say na so he take comot o. He come waka, he come greet some friends, he come go some shop, he come back late in the night. He say as she come back, because she just get new car. So he say come dey inside her car, say come park for front of their house. He say just dey the car, he just carry her beer, he just begin dey drink. Na there call come enter her phone, she come just dey line, she no just come comot for inside car again, just come dey make up for there. She can't stay long, she can't even spend more than 1 hour. Some kind call wey be say the call no go let you come out, you can't just take for inside the call for there. He say where for you dey make call, now he see say door open, somebody come out for inside house, dey waka like cats. Mew. He look left, he look right, he look back, he dey baba himself, dey baba everywhere. He go say, oh be this. He say before you know it dey happen, then he say na dream he dey dream. He open his eye well. Pastor wife that night, this one wey dey tell you so, for to 12 for midnight. He say now he do his eye like this. Where this woman dey go this night? He say the way the woman dey do, dey look back, dey look front. He say come dey look this woman, say he no go call this woman, make him look where this woman dey go. He say meanwhile, when she dey drive dey come house, he see one black guy. The black guy come go sit down for one small jardini. What they call jardini for English or piazza? I'm not no first. I don't know what they call am for English. You know say Italy don't take all my language. Finally, this pidgin English is not taking him. That place where they sit down will be like small guy there, and there. He say he sit down for there. He come dey look the black guy. Say black guy no dey this our area. Where this guy from come? Who this guy dey find this night? No black guy be dey this our area. I say now he waka pass. Say wetin concern her? Say now he before he come enter inside car. When he say this woman don dey sneak dey come out. Now then he come say abi na this black guy. Now this woman wan go meet. Hey, woman wey dey husband house. He say he come dey look. The woman no know. He no know say as he dey look, him neighbor wey be oyibo wey dey up, he dey look too. He say the woman come dey go. He say as he come see the woman just reach where the boy dey, na so he just grip the boy for back. The boy just turn, na so they just hold each other. They begin dey mechonu. They mechonu. He say na so he just be like vegetable. He be like dodo wey soko here. Go enter him body. Mommy for church. He say na so they mechonu. Then they come hold each other, they waka, they go. Then he come say he go know where these people want enter today. He say see that woman forget say leg when they waka kpurukere, high when they waka kpurukere, they look at you. He say na for there na neighbor come down, come they follow. As he see neighbor, then he shocked. Say that neighbor say wetin dey make you shock? Say because wetin he see he pass am. That neighbor say not today. He say every night na so this woman they follow this boy they come out to. Because if she just come from work, she go just suffer enter her room, go lie down. He no know wetin dey happen again. Now then neighbor come dey tell am say, not be today this woman start this thing o. He say now he come tell neighbor say, na that woman dey pray every morning when they calabash o. He say na so they be, na they wicked pass. He say that neighbor say, yeah, mo go find them, mo will know where they want go. And then they come dey find them, they go. You understand? He say after they find them, they no come see, they say they no come no quarrel when they come enter pass. Maybe they see, say that they follow them, then they enter quarrel. He say they no come fit see them again. He say weak. woman of God. He say come enter house. He no sleep. He wan know the time when this woman want to enter house. This woman come enter house early in the morning, around 6 o'clock or to 6. Woman wey dey husband house, wey your husband send her from Nigeria, say come go school for abroad, leave children for man. Oh my God. I know say you dey watch me, oh. I know. And you just come back from Nigeria. It's barely 3 weeks or 1 month when you just say come from Nigeria. So that apple when your husband shop for Nigeria, he never reach you take whole body. When you be say not be saying that 5 years, 10 years, when people talk say you no fit again. Just 3 weeks, which means you don't dey do one before you even go Nigeria. You just come back. I dey really disappointed then. Now say I must come do this video because many people really need to learn from all this kind of thing. And your friend say make I tell you, say make you stop that your korukere waka. He say if you not stop am, because he know say you go see this video, he say go tell your husband. My people, what do not think? Make she tell her husband, or as he see this video, because already who see this video, they already know where this video they go. I don't need to call that person name. She don't already know herself. You will watch this video. So what do you think? Make she go tell your husband, or you will stop. I bet people when they this platform, what do not think? Make this a friend go tell your husband, say see what the woman they do, or make the woman just stop as he see this video, because definitely this woman go see this video. I tell you, she will see it. She will see it. What do not think? Or if you see her again, make you go tell your husband. You know, if I don't say nobody is perfect, so everybody get where person for the commit sin, they do something. But when it comes to cheating, whether for man for woman, e no good. You understand? Because men own, they know that if na man now they'll say no say I carry woman, but woman own, it go loud. If your husband no dey treat you well, say maybe in your hamper, you know they chop am well, let her know. Tell her say you are out of it, so that if you see your friend you also fit talk in your come out, they care and life they go. You go just do the same thing down for you to you do rubbish finish for year. Then anything you carry now, you go give the poor pastor for house. If na the man now when be the pastor when dey Nigeria now, na he carry choir mistress, or he carry usher, or he carry any babe at all, now you go first come and come dey shout, hey, you tell me, oh, he do this, oh, he do that, oh. But man keep himself now you no gree keep yourself. You just come, you never even say. Not be say you don't spend 5 years now, barely 3 weeks. You don't begin to do all this kind of thing. This is the woman when we say, yeah, you go church, people go they call her mommy, mommy. Many women believe on you. Many women they carry their marital home, come meet you. They want your advice for them. Many women believe say you go feel advice them. As a woman, as a pastor wife, you can't see say your women leader, he do this kind of thing, you not go suspend her. Then what will you do to yourself? When be say you open your koro eye, 4 children, husband house for marriage and everything, your husband send you for education. Not be saying that your boyfriend now. You say no, say you want to begin the Colobi small boy for Italy. My sister, just be careful. If you, I'm not saying maybe you not enjoy your life, for everybody gets a life to live. Say maybe you want to enjoy your life, maybe your washing machine water no dey pour water, you know, pour rich or whatever. But now you take born 4 children, you are very free. But not be say you call they use church, they cover face, they put the name of God in the mouth. They use that the people they see you for area. I think say people not they see you. People they see you. They of course they see this woman wey be pastor wife. See what they do. They put the name of God in the mouth. The people talk now say that they face church, but what one they do no good. People they see you. Say people not they see you. You don't know say people they see you. Very soon your video will enter social media. Just be careful and stop that you are doing. It's bad. You are a married woman. I fit tell you, if you know say the marriage tire you, make your man understand, then you fit go waka as you like. No be say tomorrow now you come. You need to see where this woman for dey pray. Bra 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 bra. You need to see where this woman for dey pray today. You need to see where for dey preach. That's why these people wey be say if you just sit there for church on Sunday, they go lie down for ground, they go calabash finish. If you see them, make you run. No, all those kind of women, run for them, because many things dey their finger. Because I see no reason why you pray just your little prayer. God not deaf. Anyhow you pray, even though say you don't pray and come out, you talk inside your mouth, he don't hear you. You can't like to show yourself, say that you can't pray pass. Every morning they disturb people for prayer. Then in the night you sneak, go meet small boy from one corner. Is that one really right? Show a good lesson to other women, because you are a mommy. Now mommy that they call on for church. Mommy, pastor, wife. Now mommy that they call them. Many women they follow you for back. And so you okay, if man can't complain to you now, say see what your wife do, which advice you get to talk? Because you don't even don't pass that one. With your 4 children, you come Europe, so you can't go school. After you carry Bible, you will read Bible, speak big Oyibo. At the end, niente. Take your time. I know so you'll see this video. That your brokere waka, just stop her now. Because if you continue on, your husband, now your husband house, then you go land. You understand me? This one a warning to you. You understand? I warn it to you. Your friend say me I use this video to warn you, because she no want to talk to you. She know why she quiet. But you go see the video. Just be careful. Don't waka that porokere waka again. Be a good mother to your children. And people, make I stop for here. How una see am? Make una just leave una advice for this our sister. I know say wetin she do not good though. More na not curse am, because even though say you curse am, now you not change anything. Even though say you curse am now, you not change anything for her body. Some people say they know, even though say you curse, they don't say now your mouth, now your hand you take type, now your mouth you take curse. But e get some advice when be say you go advise person, the person go even say like say you just curse me, e go better pass. Now that kind of advice when be say you go pain her, you go touch her reach inside bone, not because so you go touch her reach inside bone, you go not say wetin I do so I not do am well, because you go say, oh, this kind of advice like say you just curse me, if for better pass. Can you imagine man wey just sit down you just carry sickness go give where for us? Man wey keep himself. They talk am say who get cap no get head, who get head e no get cap. Now be this matter so my people, make this video not long. Thank you for watching. I remember your lady T, your sister, your friends, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, your lady. I did there for you. I bet if you never subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so you'll feel watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for you. We don't get many video for you, just the waka they come, you go to see them. Many still they do the waka they come. Thank you. God bless you for watching, and bye.